Freeletics Honest Review. Watch before using. Freeletics is a body-weight-focused fitness app designed for people who want structured, AI-powered workouts without needing a gym. It offers personalized training plans, guided audio coaching, and adaptive intensity based on your progress. The app features HIIT-style workouts, endurance challenges, and strength-building routines, making it suitable for beginners and advanced users alike. One of its standout features is the AI Coach, which tailors workouts based on your feedback, ensuring you're constantly progressing. However, Freeletics isn't for those looking for traditional weightlifting programs. It's strictly body weight, unless you opt for the separate gym version. The app provides hundreds of exercises and workout combinations, covering everything from fat loss to muscle endurance. The guided voice coaching adds a personal trainer-like experience, but it's not as interactive as a real coach. While there's a free version with limited workouts, the real value is in the paid membership, which unlocks full AI coaching, personalized plans, and advanced tracking. Pricing is on the higher side compared to some competitors, but if you're serious about structured bodyweight training, it could be worth it. A major drawback is that the workouts can be brutally intense, especially for beginners. The AI does adapt, but some users still find the difficulty curve steep. Additionally, the app requires strong self-motivation since there's no live coaching or accountability features like some other fitness apps. Another downside is the lack of flexibility. If you prefer mixing weight training with body weight, Freeletics doesn't integrate that well unless you use separate plans. So, is Freeletics worth it? If you're into HIIT, calisthenics, and bodyweight workouts and want a structured, progressive plan, then yes. The AI coaching, well-structured workouts, and detailed exercise demonstrations make it one of the best bodyweight training apps. But if you prefer a mix of training styles, need real-time coaching, or dislike intense HIIT-style workouts, you might want to look elsewhere.